You ever realize how much brain power it takes to just live? Deciding what to eat, planning your commute, figuring out why the Wi-Fi is down, balancing a budget, booking a trip. Life is basically full-time problem solving. And weirdly, that's exactly what coding trains you to do better. And this video is not about how to become a developer. It's about how learning coding logic makes your brain faster, calmer, and more efficient in everyday life. Let me show you. There's a thing in programming called algorithmic thinking, breaking big things into small steps. You already do this when you build a morning routine, like you wake up, brush your teeth, make coffee, check calendar, leave by 8:30. That whole thing, it's an algorithm. You're just not writing it in Python. Same with cooking, budgeting, planning a weekend. You're already writing live code. Coding just makes you better at it. Then there's conditional logic, the classic if this then that. If it's raining, grab an umbrella. If it's not, wear the white sneakers. That's literally how programmers write decisions. You're already doing it. Coding just makes you more conscious and more precise. Ever tried fixing something? A printer, a TV, even your mood, and tested 3 things before it worked? That's debugging. You didn't panic, you diagnosed. You iterated. It's what coders do too. They just do it in a terminal instead of a kitchen. And the idea of loops, it's not abstract. It's your grocery list, your workout split, your email auto reply. You're automating repeated tasks in life. And once you learn to code, you realize how many more of those loops you can streamline. Then there's pattern recognition, another skill coding sharpens. Noticing you always overspend mid-month, that you sleep better when you read before bed. Coding teaches you to spot patterns first, test changes, and track results, which is just a smarter way to live. So no, you don't need to be a full-time developer. But when you learn even a little coding logic, life starts to feel cleaner, like your brain got a software update. One of my favorite quotes from Chris Pine, the programming writer, not the Star Trek guy: programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. Exactly. And once you build that muscle, figuring things out, you start applying it to everything. Your schedule, your habits, your decisions, even your relationships. If you're the kind of person who wants life to feel less messy, less random, learning just a bit of code logic might be the most helpful move you make this year. And if you're curious where to start, maybe you want to learn a little bit of coding logic, that's where CourseCorrect helps. You pick your goal and we show you a beginner-friendly path to build the logic skills that help with life and work. Links in the description. And if you're thinking cool, but what should I actually learn next? Watch this video about 5 passive income skills that pay you while you sleep. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one.